Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today I'm going to review the new Billion Inverter air conditioner. India is a vast country and different parts of this country have their own unique weather. From sweltering dry heat of the northern plains to sultry humidity of the coastal areas, one needs an air conditioner that is truly built to last for these unique weather conditions. And that's what the Billion AC does for you. It's an AC that's not just made in India, but it's truly made for India. This model of Billion AC is a 1.5-ton split inverter AC with 3-star 2018 rating. With service and repair one of the main concerns for Indians, the Billion Inverter AC comes with a 1-year comprehensive warranty. With a 100% copper condenser, this AC has a 30% lower repair cost. It also requires 25% lesser servicing. It uses the new age R32 refrigerant gas, which cuts your electricity bills by 10%. This refrigerant is also easier to refill, making maintenance hassle-free for you. And what's more, it's 3 times more environmental friendly than gases used in most other ACs. Now, keeping in mind Indians' concerns for higher power consumption, the Billion Inverter AC delivers annual savings of Rs 9,000 as compared to regular 2017 3-star ACs. That's 35% greater savings for you. The Billion AC also comes with an intelligent sleep mode that reduces energy consumption by 10%. This AC automatically adjusts the temperature throughout the night so that you stay comfortable while saving on your electricity bills. The Billion AC also comes with a 3-in-1 air filter for protection against bacteria and indoor pollutants. Indians often complain how ACs make their skin dry, and that's why this AC includes a vitamin filter, which infuses vitamin C into the air, ensuring your skin remains healthy at all times. Now, power cuts are still common in many parts of the country, especially during summer months. To save you from the hassle of getting up every time there's a power cut to switch on the AC, the Billion AC comes with an auto restart feature. The Billion AC comes with an intelligent compressor and dehumidifier which provide all-weather cooling. So be it dry heat or humid conditions, you always stay cool and comfortable. Now, the best of all, Billion AC also comes with service centers in 300+ cities across India to ensure complete customer satisfaction. These are just some of the reasons why the Billion Inverter AC is truly made for India. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. We provide quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products, and a short brand warranty. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a perfect buy.